Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the sustainability analysis. A rigorous sustainability analysis is needed at the time of formulation of a project or program. It is expected that such an analysis, which is to be followed by the development of a sustainability strategy, will assist in incorporating the elements of sustainability right at the design stage of a project. So then what is sustainability analysis? Sustainability analysis is the identification and analysis of degree of presence or absence of the factors that are likely to impact either positively or negatively on the prospects of sustained delivery of project benefits. For checking the aspects of sustainability at the time of designing of a project, a checklist which is include a member of analysis such as economic, financial, or social, like that. Those are important and should be undertaken to ensure incorporation of sustainability enhancement inputs during the preparation and the design stage of a project. Let's see what are they. Relevancy, acceptability, economic and financial viability, environmental sustainability, implementation and monitoring strategy, post-implementation operation and maintenance. Relevancy refers to review of consistency or lack of it between the objectives of the proposed project with national, sectoral, provincial and district priorities. Quite often, it is seen that when a project is taken up without due regard to various priorities set by the government, its ability to attract required support from various parties and its capacity to operate in a conducive environment gets severely restricted. Therefore, relevancy test is expected to help analyzing these issues and assess the relationship between the proposed action and their consistency with different priorities that have been set by the government. Acceptability analysis. Acceptability issues relate to the level and degree of acceptability of a project to the community, to the local representatives, existing agency, like that. Weak acceptability by anyone or more of these parties has the risk of compromising long-term sustainability of a project. Economic and financial viability refers to economic and financial profitability of project-induced products and services. For these products to be benefits both to the producers as well as the economy, the product cost must reflect real market cost and the product prices, the real market prices, and that the latter should be consistently higher than the former. In some cases, the project-induced products and services may not reflect the market cost and or the price, which may mean that the project will benefit the direct participants or the target population. So it will incur economic losses at the national level. Now it is widely recognized that under the current situation of globalization and liberalization, any project-induced products which cannot be produced and sold under market determine cost and prices and cannot earn profit under these conditions are neither likely to be sustained nor would these beneficial to the economy. Environmental sustainability. It refers to project-induced environmental impacts, both positive and negative. If negative impacts are foreseen and no mitigational measures are planned, then ultimately the project may yield benefits at a reduced rate or still, and depending on the extent of environmental costs, such negative impacts may in fact contribute to the net losses to the economy. Implementation and monitoring strategy. It will refers to consideration of project management arrangements. Is the implementation period realistic? Is there a well-defined implementation plan with clearly defined function and responsibilities, and have necessary provisions been made thereof? Like that. Probably weak management and inadequate monitoring provisions contribute to implementation's problem, which then weakens the project's sustainability eventually. Post-implementation operation and maintenance. It refers to management support either by the executing agency or the community or both, required after implementation of a project. So projects tend to encounter sustainability problems due to weak or inadequate operational and maintenance support. Then, what is the sustainability strategy? The sustainability strategy is a follow-up activity of sustainability analysis, and it is expected to indicate the way various elements of sustainability are to be identified, assessed, and incorporated into a project or a program, right at the design stage. The strategy is expected to specify various complements or constraints to sustainability and make provisions for their incorporations, like that. Formulation or design, implementation, and operation and maintenance stages of a project. We need to undertake necessary analytical research to define these variables and incorporate mitigating factors accordingly. Sometimes it is also helpful to specify factors that constrain sustainability. Also, definition of constraining factors is also a useful way to determine a sustainable strategy. So the project planner becomes aware of these elements and develops a strategy for enhancing stability. For example, if a certain project envisages joint responsibility between the executing agency and the community to undertake post-implementation operations and maintenance, design stage to achieve this. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again.